Hey y'all, what's up? It's Meezy coming at you, yes, from the car again, because if I don't film this in my car, then I will probably not get to film this video for a very long time. And it's already been like 10 days since my last post. So here we go. Alright, so today's video is actually a review video, so let's just get into it. Now, before we start this review, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and tell your friends, share it, So today I'm going to be reviewing this iPhone, Android, USB-C, Lightning charger. This charger does everything. It is from iChargeDevices. They sent this to me and also asked me to do a review video on it, so that's why I'm here talking to you about it today. Now, they sent this to me, I want to say at the beginning of the month. So I've had this for a very long time. I've been using it for a very long time because I didn't want to just like get the product, use it for like 2 days, and then do a review. Like, that's not truly a review, right? That's kind of like a first impressions, really. So I am doing the review now. I used this for about 3 weeks and I have some thoughts. So first, I'll just let y'all see the box a little bit more. It tells you your features on the back. Got a nice little logo, and then we also have the website right there on the side if y'all want to go, iChargeDevices.com. All right, so open up the box. Now, obviously I already opened this, but I saved the box for the video. Oh, hold on, thumbnail. Wait. You like that? That's how I do those, when I remember to take one. Okay, so here, first of all, it's a pretty long cable, and that's already a vibe for me. Like, y'all already know the iPhone charger that comes in the box is so short. So this one, my guess is 5 feet, maybe 3.5. I don't know. I'm not a measurementist, whatever you call people that measure things. It is USB on one end. It does not come with a box. Y'all know how I feel about cables. I mean, I understand this was a cable, but if you sell a charger, put the box on it, please. I am begging. And no, I don't have enough boxes, Also, I just feel like you pay for, just give me the box. Just give me the box. I have beef with everything. I'm surprised that they still even include them for iPhones. Actually, there's the rumor that we're not even gonna get charging bricks in the iPhone boxes anymore. So I guess they're ahead of their time. But personally, I would like the brick because I feel like I paid for the brick in the price of the product. This actually doesn't cost too much. It's about $25. It is the braided texture, so you don't have to worry about like the fraying issue. I have my phone charger right next to my bed, so it gets a lot of twists and turns, and as you can see, after like a month, there's like there's no like indentation at all. Like, it just looks normal. And from this end as well, like, there's not really a curve. It's kind of strong, so like, you can turn it a few times, but it's not just gonna like mold to that shape. So yeah, so you might see that it keeps getting stuck, and that's because this is magnetic. So the way that this charger is able to be like a multitude of chargers, instead of doing that thing, when you buy a charger that works for all phones, most of the time it'll have like a little piece in it, and you kind of connect the pieces to the phone. Well, for this one, instead of that, you get all these little pieces that come with it. So this one is the USB-C, this one is the micro USB, and then the iPhone one, the Lightning one I have right here. It's out because I was using it. So yeah, they come in this neat, handy little tray thing, and all you have to do is put the little thing up to it. It snaps on, and you're ready to go. So obviously I'm filming this on my phone, so I can't show y'all how it inserts into the phone. But I mean, it works just like a regular charger. The only issue I had with this is that I'm a big yanker, yanking stuff out of my phone. And so since it's a magnet and it's not connected, if you yank it hard enough, it can just like, come off really easily. And this piece will get left in the phone. And that's actually why that piece was sitting right there, because I had this in the wall. I yanked it out of the wall to run out. And then this piece was still in my phone. And so I was like, oh, okay, I don't love that. But it is a very good charger. I was very skeptical because I never really like the multi charge phone chargers. Like, they just always suck. They're always very gimmicky. They always stop working after a few uses. But this one did not. And I was especially worried because of this magnetic thing. But it works so well. I mean, it's very surprising. Love that for us. What else was I gonna say? Oh, it does this little thing. So that also helps with not having to bend your cords up too much. So yeah, I guess really my only issue is that this magnetic thing can come off kind of easy. So hopefully if they make another one, they make the magnet a little bit stronger, because even like it was really just if I pulled the cord, I guess. But it can also just come off if you, let's say you're laying on the bed and you like roll over the charger and it kind of pulls a little bit, or like you kind of have it at a weird angle and then it kind of snaps, it's gonna come off. And then at that point, the thing is, you have to have it out of the device in order for it to like charge. So if I was to snap this off, so like if my phone was connected to this, right, and my phone came off, and I was like, oh, it came out, and I just snapped it back on, it wouldn't automatically start charging. I have to pull this out of my phone and, redo the whole thing. Granted, that takes like a minute or so, but like, it could just get annoying if like it continuously happened. So if they make this magnet stronger, this will honestly be an amazing charger. I don't know. That's kind of all that I have to say about it. It's really nice, and I would definitely recommend it. And make sure you go check out the people over at iChargeDevices. Make sure you follow me on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. I've been posting every day on either Twitter, Instagram, or YouTube. So if you don't follow me on all three platforms, you are absolutely missing out on content. So make sure you follow me on all three. I tweet some pretty cool stuff. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. Let me know if y'all have any questions. Sorry, y'all. Let me know if y'all have any questions down below in the comments. I will leave the link to the charger and the link to all my socials and all of that down in the description below. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.